everyone. So this is the continuation of my previous lecture on the topic integers. I hope you all have seen that lecture because there are many important points in it. Now friends, in this lecture, what are the objectives? The objectives are in this lecture we study addition of integers, subtraction of integers, multiplication of integers and division of integers. Now friends, let us study about fundamental operations. How many types of fundamental operations are there? There are 4 types of fundamental operation. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now friends, let us study about addition of integers of same sign. In the addition of integers having same sign, we simply add the numbers, then put the sign which is given to us. For example, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. In this you can see both the numbers are having a positive sign. So the answer is also positive. In the second example also both the numbers are having a positive sign, so the answer is again positive. But in the last example you can see the numbers are having a negative sign, so we have put the sign of a negative number. Now let's discuss about addition of integers having different sign. Now in the addition of integers having different sign, we subtract the bigger number from the smaller number. For example, 45 plus minus 23. Solution. First we'll open the brackets. Is equal to 45 minus 23. Now we will subtract the numbers. So when we subtract the bigger number 45 from the smaller number 23, the answer comes 22. Now we'll put the sign of the number which is greater. So the number which is greater here is 45, and 45 is having a plus sign, so we will put a plus sign. Subtraction of integers is quite similar to the addition of integers of different sign. In the first example, minus 11 minus 45 is, first we'll open the brackets. So the answer will come in when we open the brackets, minus 11 plus 45. Now when we subtract the greater number 45 from minus 11, the answer will be 34. The number which is greater is 45 has a positive sign, so we will put a positive sign in our answer. So the answer is 34. Now in the second example, minus 69 minus 40. What we will do, first we will open the brackets. So when we open the brackets, the answer that will come will be minus 69 minus 40, because the number 40 has a plus sign and the sign outside the bracket is minus. So minus plus is equal to minus. So now both the numbers are having the same sign. So now what we will do? We will add them. When we add them, the answer will come 109. Now the sign which is given to us is negative, so we will put a negative sign. Similarly, in the third example, both the numbers are negative, so we will add them and then put a negative sign. Now friends, here are the notes of addition and subtraction of integers. two negative integers will not be subtracted. Instead of subtraction, they will be added using the sign of minus. A negative and a positive integer will be subtracted, and the sign that will be put will be of the number which is greater. Now let us discuss about multiplication of integers having same sign. In the multiplication of integers having same sign, we simply multiply the number and then put a positive sign. For example, minus 12 into minus 3. Here we can see that both the numbers are having a minus sign. So we will multiply the numbers. 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Then put a positive sign. Similarly, in the second example, 5 into 15, both the numbers are having a positive sign. So we will multiply them and the product that will come will be positive. Now let us study about multiplication of integers having different. Multiplication of integers having different sign is a bit different from multiplication of integers having same sign. Here we simply multiply the numbers, then put a negative sign. For example, minus 12 into 6 is equal to minus 72. Here we can see that both the numbers are having different sign. So first we multiply the numbers, then put a negative sign. In the second example, 32 into minus 2, we have also multiplied the numbers and put a negative sign. Now let us study about division of integers having same sign. Division of integers having same sign is very much similar to multiplication of integers having same sign. Here we divide the numbers, then put a positive sign. For example, 14 divided by 7. Both the numbers are positive, so we'll simply first divide the numbers, then put a positive sign. In the second example, minus 27 divided by minus 3, we have divided the numbers, then put a positive sign. Now let us discuss about division of integers having different sign. Division of integers having same sign is very much similar to multiplication of integers of different sign. Here also we divide the numbers and then put a negative sign. For example, 45 divided by minus 5 is equal to minus 9. The numbers here are having different signs. So first we have divided them, then put a minus sign. Now in the second example, minus 72 divided by 18, both the numbers are having again different signs. So first we will divide them, then put a negative sign. Now here are the notes of division and multiplication of integers. Two negative sign will not be negative, instead they will be positive. Means minus minus is equal to plus. Two positive signs will be positive only. Plus plus is equal to plus. One negative and a positive sign will be together negative. This one negative and a positive sign will be together be negative has happened in the addition and subtraction of integers also, which means minus plus is equal to minus. Now friends, let us have a quiz time. So here comes my first question. What is 34 plus minus 53? Come on, fast. You have only 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Time's up. So friends, the correct answer is minus 19. Why? Because when we open the bracket, it will be 34 minus 53. So when we subtract 53 from 34, we get the answer 19. And the number which is greater is minus 53. So we put a negative sign. So the correct answer is minus 19. Now, here comes my next question. 45 minus 63. What will be the answer? I'll give you a time of 10 seconds. 0. Your time's up. So what will be the answer? The answer will be option number C, which is 108. Now the third question. What is the absolute value of minus 36? 10 seconds. Time's up. The answer is minus 36. Why? Because this time the negative sign is outside the bracket. Now here comes my fifth question. In addition of integers, two negative signs are A subtracted, B added, C both A and B, D none of the above. 10 seconds. Time's up. The answer is B, added. Now question number 6. In addition of integers, two different signs are 10 seconds. The answer, time's up. So the answer is A, subtracted. Why? Because minus plus is equal to minus. Now question number 7. 34 into 2. Come on, do a simple multiplication. Option A 66, option B 68, option C minus 68 and option D minus 68. 10 seconds. Time's up. So the correct answer is 68. We'll multiply the numbers. As the numbers are having the same sign, we'll put a positive sign. So the answer is 68. Now, eighth question. Question number 8. 34 into minus 3. 92, 102, minus 92 or minus 108. Time's up. So the correct answer is option number B. Why? Because the numbers here are having different signs and when we multiply them, the answer comes 102 and then we put a negative sign. So answer is 102. Now the second last question. 102 divided by 3. Option A, 33. Option B, minus 34. Option C, minus 33. And option D, 34. 5 seconds. Time's up. So the correct answer is 34. Why? Because both the numbers are positive, and then when we divide them, we get the quotient as 34. As both the numbers are positive, we put a positive sign. Now my last question. Is it possible for the product of a positive and negative integer to be 0? Come on, 10 seconds. Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, both A and B. Or D, cannot be determined. Last 5 seconds. Time's up. So the correct answer is no. Why? Because if we multiply any positive and negative integer, the answer will come negative. As 0 is neither positive nor negative integer, it is not possible. So now, thank you friends and have a nice day.